Example careers. Meet Samuel, Martin, and Emma. These three people have just graduated university with a Bachelor of Engineering degree from NUI Galway. At this point in their lives, they have many possible opportunities ahead of them with their careers, and due to these opportunities, they will be able to change the course of their careers multiple times. In this video, I will discuss just a few possible career paths that engineers can encounter. Firstly, Samuel next graduates with a master's in mechanical engineering and later receives his PhD in civil engineering. After obtaining his degrees, he is employed in an engineering firm designing structural elements of steel. He eventually accepts a position at university and has several responsibilities. Samuel lectures on mechanics and is involved in research, studying materials for structural engineering and hydraulic design. Samuel also advises and supervises the students and their research within his lab. Martin chooses a different path, as after graduation, he is headhunted to work in finance because of his problem-solving skills. Martin works in finance for several years until he decides to be a barrister. Once a barrister, he becomes involved with cases concerning safety and insurance regarding structural aspects of buildings. Emma also graduates with a master's in engineering, then works in engineering right after being chartered. She works on many tasks including site supervision, invoicing, cost control, risk assessment, and more on her projects that range from the design of football stadiums, large-scale sculpture, and structures for hydroelectric power. Later, as a consulting engineer, Emma investigates building damage, carries out measurements, and prepares reports for structures that have been recently through natural disasters such as hurricanes, tornadoes, and earthquakes. Changing positions again, Emma becomes a project manager and coordinates the many people involved in the project of building a small dam for hydroelectric power plant. After the success of her projects, Emma becomes a senior design engineer for her firm and is in charge of the design for several projects. As you can see, there are several career paths for engineers and many more that I have not mentioned. The options for engineers are nearly endless due to their problem-solving skills and knowledge of maths and sciences.